Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Our word of the day is accountant. This is a B2 level noun, and it refers to a person who manages or inspects financial records. Let's start with the definition. An accountant is someone whose job is to keep track of money, whether for a company, an organization, or an individual. They make sure that financial records are accurate, that taxes are filed correctly, and that budgets are followed. For example, you might hire an accountant to help prepare your taxes or to give advice on managing your finances. Now, let's talk about some synonyms. A few words that mean something similar to accountant include bookkeeper, auditor, and financial analyst. For example, a bookkeeper focuses on recording daily financial transactions, while an auditor checks the accuracy of financial records. Here's a sentence. The company hired a bookkeeper to organize their monthly expenses. Another example could be, an auditor will review the financial statements at the end of the year. On the other hand, let's look at some antonyms. While there isn't a direct opposite of accountant, we can think of roles like spender or debtor, which focus on the use of money rather than its management. For example, you could say, a spender might not be as cautious about finances as an accountant. Or, a debtor often seeks advice from an accountant to manage repayments. In everyday life, accountants are crucial in many scenarios. For instance, if you're running a small business, you'll likely rely on an accountant to handle taxes and payroll. Or, if you're saving for a big purchase, an accountant might help you create a financial plan. You could say, I spoke with my accountant to make sure my taxes are filed on time. Another common expression might be, every successful company needs a reliable accountant. Let's look at a few more examples in sentences. She decided to study accounting because she wanted to become an accountant. The accountant reviewed the budget and suggested some cost-saving strategies. They consulted an accountant before buying their first home. To summarize, an accountant is a professional who handles financial records and ensures that everything adds up correctly. Synonyms like bookkeeper and auditor highlight the variety of roles in finance, while antonyms such as spender provide a contrast to the careful management of money. Thank you so much for tuning in today and learning about the word accountant. Before you go, I'd love for you to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps more people discover the show, and I truly appreciate it. Why not create your own sentence using the word accountant and share it in the comments? I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.